in North Macedonia, we started developing energy efficiency projects, especially in buildings, from 2010, and we have some successful stories. Predominantly, USAID projects have been focusing on this area of interest. And what we found out that the crucial thing for energy efficiency, especially in the residential sector, to be successful is to have a financial structure that would support investment in energy efficiency. We all know that energy efficiency pays off, but how does it pay off when you have, let's say, cheap energy and available energy that does not relate in a way of returning your investment? Then here you need to take out some structural funds or some subsidies from the government to make us successful. That is one area of interest that projects should develop and are developing in Macedonia. The other side is more of a technical side. Has the technology been developed or available in the country, or are there companies that can actually do these energy efficiency measures? And here also you need to have a structured, systematic approach. Then when you start one project, then it should continue for the next year, so companies that will invest in both human resources and human capital as well as technology can continue providing these services to the residents. So that means that by having financial side supporting with finance and technical side, and companies supporting the products and the technology, both can lead to successful energy efficiency project in buildings.
What was the reaction of residents living in Macedonia when they first heard about the project, and how did they interact with the project?
Well, usually at the beginning they are very skeptical. When you tell them that energy efficiency is not just cutting the cost of energy and cutting the actual energy used, but also improving the quality of life, improving the standards of living in their apartment, they were skeptical. They did not believe, because they were used to, in some kind of, let's say, previous socialist mindset, that energy is available, and what was 30 years ago is still the best, which is not the case right now. Not because the standards have changed, because the whole socio-economic structure has changed. So once we did some pilot projects, the actual residents were now the ambassadors for sharing the energy efficiency in buildings, that it is successful and it can provide both health benefits, quality of life standards increased in their homes, as well as lower expenditures for energy. So we have positive examples and we have also negative examples, but I will focus on the positive examples, because those are the ones that sends the message that investing in energy efficiency, you cannot make a mistake. The minimum, the bare minimum that you can get is that quality of life will increase in your apartment, in your house.